serikali Mheshimiwa John Mbadi ni gobona rokandre ko mochegati yabarai ABWO obokoreri BWAYE ase wizara iyo asatebire inse yoborai BWAYE nigo aenekiria OMOCHIRIE ao egento bono kia moireri baga yokoenekia gokonya ense kwegenderia ase sector ya uchumi.
Yesterday niliona watu wengine they are trying to advise me how to be a minister for finance. You can't. You have no capacity to advise me. I have been chairman of ODM under Raila Odinga for 10 years. It's not a mean achievement. I have been minority leader for 5 years. It's not a mean achievement. I am now minister for 2 years. It's not a mean achievement. I was assistant minister in the office of the prime minister. It's not a mean achievement. You can't come from nowhere to start advising me. First, seek an elective position. Be elected. And then people will start also nurturing you as a leader going forward. But we are not going to tolerate petty and small and juvenile politics. I am not ready for that. I will not succumb to that. I have to talk to our people. We are also ready to lead. This country is not for a few people. I am ready to lead. Who tells you I cannot lead? I am ready to lead this country, even going forward as the president, not just as any other ordinary person. And therefore you cannot advise me. Na nikimalizia, if you want to come to the field under uwanja kupigana na mimi kwa siasa, mimi am ready.